that needs foot oil and a paintbrush, squirt it on there and brush it in and stuff. But when I put that together, when Vernon gave it to us, that was wicked dry. And I took it out to the house and I put that neat foot oil on it, got it expanded, put the neat foot oil on it and got it really nice and limber. And I was worried about it over the winter, but it's all good.
So this right here,
Just sheet metal.
it'll come here, you know, and run out.
Yeah.
And this right here would slide.